Thank you for watching Stallone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. We are trying to go for 100 subscribers by the end of October. We're already at almost 60, so you guys are really great. We really appreciate your support. Yeah, please like and subscribe, and we'll dig into this next model here. Today is a quick first look and unboxing of the wood trick Lyra Da Vinci. So it's a Hurdy Gurdy, a wooden Hurdy Gurdy, which I'm very intrigued by. I love the Hurdy Gurdies. So let's get into it and see what we got here. So just looking at the front, you know, we've got a nice picture of the device there. Apparently they do their builds in a lot of different languages. On the back side here, we've got a couple other projects that you could do. Looks like a shotgun, got a marble one, which are my faves, and we got a truck and a biplane there, looks like. The sides really aren't all that interesting. I think this is a video of the actual thing, if you want to watch it in action. I'm pretty excited to see how well it Hurdies and Gurdies. Alright, let's get into it. See what we got here. I've got to get a new blade on that thing. Or snap the blade so it's nice and sharp again. Let's get the doll. Alright, here. There's that. And then, got a little roughed up in shipping, but I've seen worse from Amazon. And we've got a nice kind of tray, it looks like, which is cool. It says 227 pieces, and it's a level 3 difficulty, by whatever standard that is. I have no idea what their difficulty standards are. For all I know, 3 is crazy hard. Well, maybe it looked like 5. Yeah, I guess it's 5. So there was 5 dots, and only 3 of them were filled in. So I guess that's what tells us everything I need to know there. All right, well, there's a very pretty look at the scroll work on the main board. It is pretty. Usually the great thing about these kits, they usually come with everything you need to build them. Let's see if that's the case here. We got some more parts there on the bottom. Very thick. Wow. Nice. Feels good. Okay. We got some strings, which looks like they're nylon. We got some sandpaper, and it looks like a little bit of wax. And we got some toothpicks and some rubber bands. Whatever this was is all shattered now. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be. I mean, it almost looks like resin of some kind, maybe. Maybe it's a resin. I don't know. Let's look at the book real quick. It is a booklet rather than a poster style format, which I very much appreciate. I really do not like the poster style that much, just because they're kind of awkward to use. However, since it folds all along the vertical or the horizontal, I think it's a little bit difficult working with the space I have, but it should be fine. Let's see here. So, I haven't built anything by Wood Trick, I don't think. I built something else by them. No, I guess I did. I built a marble run by them. And looks like they use some colors to tell you which part you're looking for on the board. And that way you can see what's, you don't have to, usually they'll do that if their number system is really kind of wacky on the wood. We'll look there. Yeah, if you really got to look around to try to find a part, usually they're kind enough to actually display where the part is on the board or the frame you're looking for. So, well, that's cool. I'm not sure how long it's going to take to build this, but it's fairly large, so it's definitely not a 1 or 2 day job. We'll just kind of flip through here real quick. Oh, it's sanding, I think. Usually it's pretty important on these kits to make sure you get all the burrs off of things, because the burrs can really slow down, especially if you got gears or something like that. And almost all these builds, the gearing system you usually have to kind of work out. So the first few turns are usually pretty rough, but then they smooth out after you've been cranking here for, well, just a couple minutes usually is all it takes to get everything smoothed out and run nice. Yeah, this has got a lot of gearing to it. A lot more than I thought it would, honestly. Yeah, and how many pages are we working with here? So far we're at 36, 38, 44. Oh, it gives you the notes. That's lovely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. So we'll have to figure out what that means, but they give you even some songs to play in the back. Jingle Bells, Happy Birthday to You, London Bridge, and Try to Play Music, whatever that means. Cool. And there's the same thing they had on the back of the box there. That's pretty awesome. We'll put these guys back in where they need to go, and then we'll take a look at the boards here real quick. Okay. Awesome. Let's see here. This looks like... And then as I tend to go ahead and number the boards, which I'll do on this camera, but I'll speed up the frame so you don't have to watch me spinning all your day just numbering boards when you've got a whole life to live on your own. Alright, but we'll flip through them here. This is one. Hurdy Gurdy is an excellent YouTube channel to check out if you've never heard the Hurdy Gurdy go before. She is a beautiful singer, and yeah, definitely worth the watch. Okay, so that's that. They look very, they're pretty thick all the way through. So I'm pretty confident it'll be a pretty sturdy build with hopefully not very many, if any at all, broken parts. I'm not sure how well they do as far as their wooden tools. They're usually included in the kits, or sometimes hopefully they give you some spares in case something does break. But I guess we'll see. A lot of really pretty scroll work or burn work in there, whatever you want to call it. It should be a very fantastic build. I can't wait to get to it. And thank you very much for watching Slowness Reviews. We really appreciate your support. We're trying to go for 100 subscribers by the end of October. We are already at almost 60. So you guys are great. Thank you for your support. We love you so much. And thanks for watching. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed. And one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.